Are you looking for a high-yield savings account? In this video, I'll be comparing two popular options, Apple's high-yield savings account and SoFi. Apple offers an enticing high-yield savings account that pays 4.5% APY. SoFi's savings account pays 4.6% APY when users have recurring direct deposits. Users without direct deposit will get 1.2% APY instead. Both accounts have no annual fees, no minimum balance required, and both are FDIC insured up to $250,000. SoFi offers additional FDIC insurance up to $2 million, so your money is insured in case of a bank failure. Apple's savings account does have a maximum account balance of $250,000. Also, in order to open a savings account with Apple, users have to get the Apple Card first. The Apple Card is a credit card that pays users 1% cash back on every purchase that they make, with an additional 1% cash back when users use Apple Pay. The Apple Card also has 3% cash back at select merchants like Apple, Nike, and Exxon, to name a few. SoFi also has a credit card which pays users 2% cash back on every purchase that they make, and 3% cash back when users book travel through SoFi Travel. Both credit cards are fee-friendly as there are no annual fees and no foreign transaction fees. Apple actually takes this a step further by having no late payment fee, which is very rare, and I have to give Apple credit for this. SoFi's credit card does have a late payment fee of up to $41, although it's best to always pay the card off on time every time, since both credit cards do have a high APR. Apple Card users can have their cash back automatically put into their high-yield savings account with Apple or put into Apple Cash. With SoFi, users can have their points automatically redeemed for cash back in the form of a statement credit to their credit card, deposited into their high-yield savings account or checking account with SoFi. Or it could even be used to pay off a loan through SoFi or invested. Both credit cards come with a welcome bonus. SoFi gives $50 and Apple gives $75 when users sign up using someone's referral link and make their first purchase. SoFi also has a $25 bonus when users sign up using someone's referral link and deposit at least $10, with an additional bonus of $50 or $300 when users receive qualifying direct deposits. I'll have my links down below. Everything that SoFi has to offer can be found in their app, and the Apple Card lives on your iPhone in the Wallet app. Users can bank with SoFi whether they have an Android or an iPhone. The Apple Card requires users to add the card to an eligible iPad or iPhone. Otherwise, they will only be able to use the card online or in-store at Apple. Also remember that users can't get Apple's savings account without getting the Apple Card. The Apple Card can be managed in the Wallet app on an iOS device, allowing users to pay off their credit card, add other credit and debit cards which can be used for Apple Pay, along with additional features like advanced fraud protection. Also, Apple Pay and the Wallet app make it very convenient to make purchases. Users can also send money to other Apple users by using Apple Cash. And that's pretty much it. Compared to many other online-only bank accounts, the features that Apple currently offers are pretty lackluster in comparison. With SoFi, users can trade fractional shares of stocks and ETFs commission-free. They can also open retirement accounts like a traditional or a Roth IRA, along with being able to view their credit score for free, track their net worth with SoFi Relay, along with being able to set savings goals, which is one of my favorite features. I do wish every savings account gave users the ability to do this. SoFi also makes saving easier since users can have a percentage or a dollar amount of every paycheck automatically put into their savings goals. And users can also send and receive money with SoFi. SoFi also lets users take out loans. There's just simply more going on with what SoFi has to offer. Still, the Apple Card in their savings account is a solid option for someone who is already part of Apple's ecosystem. Plus, Apple will send users a titanium card, which is quite nice, even though they will likely never use it since if they did, they would only get 1% cash back. I do have to mention one con with SoFi's app, which is that they do have occasional pop-ups. In conclusion, both SoFi and Apple offer a solid high-yield savings account and a solid credit card. Although I do have to give SoFi the overall win since it's not locked behind the Apple ecosystem. SoFi also offers more when it comes to finance, compared to what Apple has to offer. SoFi offers a full online banking experience, while what Apple has to offer feels limited in comparison. Although Apple could be a winner for someone who does not have access to direct deposits and who is already part of the Apple ecosystem, especially if they use Apple Pay on a regular basis. Only time will tell if Apple ends up creating a full online finance experience for Apple users at some point in the future. If any company could afford to do so, it would be Apple.